In this lecture, I prepare you for the fact that the last few lectures have actually been preparing you for this. We've created the layout for a formatted document. Now we're going to look at templates that will get you a long ways to a formatted document. I am providing in this lecture nonfiction and fiction templates that are fill-in-the-blank templates for you to create what we just created. Let's jump over to Word and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here I am in Word where I've just updated my table of contents. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and open my templates. Now you'll find them in the description for this lecture. Go ahead and download them to a directory as I have done. So I'm going to go to my BBB and my templates directory. And you can see here, well, actually I've got several. I've written some things, but I've got a fiction and a nonfiction template. Now we're going to go ahead and let's open the nonfiction template and take a look at it. You just double click on it and here's the template. So here you fill in the title, put in your keyword subtitle, put in the author name. Actually in here you could put the series name, put your email and your website URL. Here's the template for the copyright page. And this we need to make, let's make it 2004 now. Save that. And here's the sign up. Fill in this to sign up for your mailing list. Give them the name of your mailing list and the URL and tell them what they're going to get. Give them something free for signing up to your mailing list. And then we have a blank page before the table of contents. And then here's the introduction and about the author and the conclusion. And then here's the sign up for the newsletter at the end. So here you've got the header and footer. You've got your numbers all done. You've got your page dimensions set up for 6 by 9 with a 0.75 inch inside margin, 0.5 inch outside margins. Just go ahead and do here and say insert header and then choose edit header. And you'll go in here and you'll edit the header. So put in your title here on the left and the author on the right. And then remember on the other page you have author on the left and the title on the right because we have alternate pages. Just do that twice. You don't need to worry about the first page. That doesn't have headers or footers. And then close your header and footer and save this document as whatever your new document name is. So that's the way to use the templates. The nonfiction or the fiction template is similar, except it uses Times New Roman. This does hierarchical numbering. This version, the nonfiction of your headers, the fiction one does not do numbering of your headers. So go ahead and download the templates, open them up and take a look at them. And the next time that you need to create a fiction or nonfiction document, open the template first to save yourself a lot of time and then save it as your document.